How to change LinkedIn password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn password on Android phone. First open a LinkedIn and then just click on your profile here, and now click settings, this one, click on it, and here just click sign in and security, and here we'll find the change password. Now just click on it, and here type your current password and then type in new and type it again here, and then just click save password and your password will be changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.